Imagine walking into your home or garden and being greeted by a soft, sweet aroma, fresh, earthy, and slightly spicy. That scent is coming from your very own cardamom plant. For many people, cardamom feels like an exotic spice that only grows in faraway tropical regions. But here's the surprising truth. With the right care and environment, you can successfully grow cardamom at home in the United States, even as a beginner. Cardamom is not just a plant, it's an experience. From its lush green foliage to its aromatic pods, it brings a sense of calm, beauty, and reward. The secret lies in understanding its tropical nature and recreating those conditions as closely as possible. Cardamom thrives in warm, humid environments with indirect sunlight. Unlike many vegetables that demand full sun, cardamom prefers partial shade or filtered light. Think of the conditions under a forest canopy: soft light, moist soil, and consistent warmth. If you can provide that, you are already halfway to success. For USA growers, cardamom is best grown indoors or in containers, especially in cooler regions. It prefers temperatures between 65 degrees F and 85 degrees F. Anything below 50 degrees F can slow its growth significantly. During colder months, keeping the plant indoors near a bright window or under grow lights works perfectly. Soil preparation is crucial for healthy growth. Cardamom loves rich, well-draining soil that retains moisture without becoming soggy. A mix of potting soil, compost, and coco coir creates the ideal environment. This combination keeps roots hydrated while allowing excess water to drain away. Planting cardamom usually begins with rhizomes rather than seeds. These underground stems grow into new plants and establish faster. When planting, place the rhizome about 1–2 inches deep in the soil and water it gently. Within a few weeks, you'll begin to see green shoots emerging. Watering is one of the most important aspects of cardamom care. The soil should always remain slightly moist, but never waterlogged. Water your plant regularly, especially during warmer months, ensuring the top layer of soil does not dry out completely. Cardamom also benefits from humidity, so misting the leaves or placing a humidity tray nearby can enhance growth. Feeding your cardamom plant ensures lush, vibrant foliage. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2–3 weeks during the growing season. Organic options like compost tea work especially well. Proper feeding helps the plant develop strong roots and encourages the production of pods over time. As the plant grows, you'll notice long, leafy stems forming dense clusters. Pruning is minimal but important. Remove any yellow or damaged leaves to maintain plant health and improve airflow. This also helps prevent fungal issues in humid conditions. Cardamom plants can take time to mature, but patience is part of the journey. Once established, they begin producing flowers near the base, which eventually develop into pods. These pods contain the aromatic seeds that are widely used in cooking and beverages. Harvesting cardamom is a rewarding experience. Pods are typically ready when they turn slightly pale green and feel firm. Picking them at the right time ensures maximum flavor and aroma. Now let's talk about common problems and how to solve them easily. If your cardamom plant's leaves turn yellow, it could be due to overwatering or poor drainage. Adjust your watering routine and ensure your soil drains properly. Brown leaf tips often indicate low humidity. Increasing moisture in the air by misting or using a humidifier can quickly fix this issue. If growth is slow, the plant may not be receiving enough warmth or nutrients. Moving it to a warmer location and feeding it regularly can help boost growth. Pests like spider mites or aphids may occasionally appear, especially indoors. These can be controlled with neem oil or gentle washing of leaves. Growing cardamom is not about quick results. It's about creating a peaceful, ongoing connection with nature. It teaches patience, observation, and consistency. Every new leaf and every small change becomes a sign of progress. Even if you live in a small apartment, you can grow cardamom successfully. Container gardening makes it easy to control the environment and move the plant as needed. With the right care, your plant can thrive indoors and become a beautiful addition to your space. Another advantage of growing cardamom at home is freshness. Store-bought cardamom can lose its aroma over time, but homegrown pods offer unmatched flavor and fragrance. As your plant matures, it becomes more resilient and rewarding. The lush green leaves create a calming atmosphere, while the pods provide a practical benefit for cooking and tea. This journey is not just about growing a spice. It's about creating something meaningful in your own space. It's about slowing down, caring for a living plant, and enjoying the process. So, if you've ever thought about growing something unique and rewarding, cardamom is a perfect choice. It may take time, but the results are worth every moment. Start with one plant. Give it warmth, moisture, and care. Watch it grow slowly but steadily, and one day you'll be harvesting your own aromatic cardamom right at home. If you love learning about seasonal flowering plants, gardening tips, and nature care, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Nature Nurture. Hub your home for year-round garden inspiration. Let's keep growing together.